Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma, O Allah, bismika, B means in, and alif sin mim, ism. Ism means name, and ka, actually this is pronoun used for second person, singular and masculine. So, in your name, amutu, I die, wa ahya, wa means and, ahya, I live. Okay, so alif, when it is in the beginning of fi'l muzare, it means I. It's used for first person singular. And fi'l muzare has two tenses in it, present or future. So, I die, wa ahya, and I live. In your name, O Allah, I live and die. When we wake up, Alhamdulillah alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Alhamdu. Hamd means praise. And al means all. All praise or thanks. Lillahi. Li means for. Sometimes to. To. Lillahi, for Allah, or be to Allah. Alladhi, who ahyana, gave us life. Noon alif na, this is again pronoun used for first person but plural. Ahyana, us, na us. Ahya, he gave life. Ahya, he gave life, na us. Who gave us life? Ba'dama, ba'd means after. Amatana, noon alif na, again at the end of the word. This is pronoun used for first person and plural. So, he took from us. Amata, he took from us. Noon alif na. Wa ilayhin nushur, wa means and, ilay or sometimes ila. Ila means unto, unto or two words. Wa ilayhi, he, this is pronoun used for singular, masculine and third person. He. Wa ilayhi, and unto him. An-nushur is the resurrection. Resurrection means the day of Qiyamah, Yawmul Qiyamah, the day of judgment. So all praise is for Allah who gave us life after having taken it from us, and unto him is the resurrection.